I'm Jeff from South Korea, working for Cisco System as a system engineer. Today, I'm going to cover Cisco HyperFelx system as a part of Cisco data center strategy known as A.S.A.P. A.S.A.P is a collection of an acronym. A as analyze, S as simplify, second as automate, and the last P as protect. Cisco will provide those four matched solutions, and each one has got a comprehensive reason to be there. The fundamental reason for the four solutions is that today's business model needs change, and the change will need the full speed of IT support. It will be very critical point to sustain business in a rapid changing environment. Millions of users for various apps, short life cycle of major software versions, rapid changes of user experience, almost all the entire enterprise customers' demands are simple. We need speed. We need to be fast. We need things ASAP. This is the reason why Cisco responds with ASAP to the customers' ASAP needs. Analytics, simplification, automation, protection, all of them are equally important. But if I have to choose one, it will be simple. Complex system will drag you out from as simple as possible scenarios. They will distract you from being a fast IT to have a better sustainability. So, I think the first one you might consider is simplified among the A.S.A.P 4 pillars. Cisco HyperFelx will provide you with built-in simple systems for the speed. Let's take a look at more details about it. Because the consumption model changed rapidly, IT operation model has to get a new one, especially when you need an infrastructure expansion. It will be a very time-consuming process which will take weeks, even months for achieving a certain level of service. How about operation challenge for infrastructure expansion requirements? Traditional IT resource procurement pattern will drag you out from speed and simplicity, making apps silos and complicated operations or meet your expectation for full speed. A cloud-like pricing model will also make you even more in danger to build on-premise systems. Just like the pay-as-you-grow model as well as scaling on-demand infrastructure. Cisco HyperFelx will make an impossible mission into a stunning possible mission. Before taking a look at HyperFelx, let me replay the current requirements for responding to the next generation hyperconvergence. First of all, almost all vendors mistook network as a critical component into unified systems for new IT infrastructure model. Without network, it's like only half completion of the entire IP infrastructure. The importance of a network is the hyperconvergence built on IP network. And unified management, including network resources, will play a key role for simple operation. A majority of traditional storage resources seem to face high demands of challenges to support rapid deployment, flexible operation, and new data platform for IT infrastructure enhancement. For instance, flash-based storage systems no longer matched with traditional storage infrastructure. New storage technologies will need a new advanced file system, just like a Cisco HyperFelx does. One of the key successes of next generation hyperconvergence will be the smooth migration from current customer infra to new hyperconverged infrastructure. Considering significant investment of traditional storage network and computer infrastructure, a new system will need to coexist with legacy resources. So, how can Cisco HyperFelx systems simplify IT infrastructure for the customer needs? Let's take a close look at it. The first step of moving forward to customer demands is that Cisco HyperFelx provides unified computing and network infrastructure as a complete hyperconvergence offering. Industry-proven architecture of the Cisco UCS unified computing and network convergence will make HyperFelx as a remarkably consistent performance and highly data protective mechanism with 3 copies of on the different nodes simultaneously. Because of the network integration into the system, HyperFelx can be stretched into any type of compute node on the control network. And on top of strong fundamental unification of network and compute by using Cisco UCS, HyperFelx is designed for next generation distributed storage system for better data services and storage optimization. The special purpose built on an advanced file system makes HyperFelx a more comprehensive way to deliver next generation data platform. Flash media endurance enhancement will make SSD much more reliable by using every cell equally. Also, a compression and deduplication function-friendly design affords a great response to robust enterprise storage requirements. Simplify among the A.S.A.P strategy will provide customer with HyperFelx, which is based on UCS technology, and it is really one of the key strategies for completion of data center strategy. Think about private cloud app mobility on HyperFelx integration of Cisco Cloud Center, and HyperFelx will provide proper mobility and easy application lifecycle management. Using HyperFelx as an on-premise private cloud infrastructure and Cloud Center as an app management will make your IT resources more robust and agile for the future. One management system, meaning an entire hardware and software stack within a single system, will give you an easy, secure, and enhanced system visibility. In terms of automation, UCS Director with HyperFelx will make comprehensive deployment from hardware to software. UCS Director can deploy entire service apps with just a few clicks automatically. It will remove hassles like human errors, the tedious process of many replicable tasks, and the lack of deployment visibility to find what went on. In addition to automation and orchestration capability, by policy-based workload provisioning, metering, and chargeback can also be implemented. A combined solution with UCS Director and HyperFelx will provide complete private cloud infrastructure as a service automation. Cisco software-defined storage at HyperFelx meets Cisco SDN, known as application-centric infrastructure. Cisco A.S.A.P will make HyperFelx even more flexible, secure, and visible. Beyond HyperFelx internal integration of the network, Cisco A.S.A.P will make sure that there is a large-scale software infrastructure with an application-centric policy model. HyperFelx will be integrated into A.S.A.P for the central infrastructure of enterprise data centers. A.S.A.P and HyperFelx together will make a great enterprise software-defined network storage and compute infrastructure. In addition to infrastructure flexibility, Cisco A.S.A.P will provide VM-level security enforcement with micro-segmentation architecture. Each storage control virtual machine will be protected with A.S.A.P micro-segmentation for more secure infrastructure as well. Visibility is one of the key components for better management to the entire data center infrastructure. Combined solution with A.S.A.P and HyperFelx will make great synergy for end-to-end visibility. It will mean that operators and administrators are free of everyday tedious manual tasks for management, and they can focus on handling more advanced processes such as analytics and planning.